let's go into today's class. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everyone. This is another week, another session to look into the chart and then learn one or two things. Welcome everybody and welcome particularly Mr. Ayeni Daniel. Good to have you once again for this weekend. I hope your week was fine and I hope it went well. In today's class, I want to teach just one thing. So by tomorrow, we'll do a recap of what we are, because I told you that there are 4 strategies that we use. Let me share my screen. So I've taught you one strategy. We started on one strategy last week, which was psychology level. We bisect and then share insights into that, so that there won't be a confusion or something, later on. That. So we bisected that last week, and then we were able to. I understood psychology. Today, what I want to talk about very quickly, I want to talk about trend line. There are 4 strategies I used. One, I said it last week, psychology level, which is of course also zones. Sometimes I plot zones. Maybe sometimes when it's needed, I plot zones. But first thing I do is psychology level. Second thing is trend line. Something is trend line. Third thing is sometimes I use sometimes I use iron law of the week, which is one of my mentors' strategy that he used oftentimes. But he said that stuff is for GU. But I think that stuff works for other people as well. But I don't really use that all the time. I use psychology levels, I use trend line, I use zones. Okay. And again, what else would I use? Then I use price action. That is the key. Just look at the chart, naked chart, and price action to determine the price action structure. That is 5. Cycle level, trend line, market structure, price action, and the zone. Sometimes zones is also the same thing as cycle levels. So those 4 things are what was told me to chart or to long. So, market structure first, psychology level second, trend line third, and price action. Then candlestick confirmation. So that the 5 things we'll be dealing with, it has to do with what? Technical, TA. So by each of them, we have talked about the simplest one, cycle level. So I believe you can plot cycle level anytime, any day. Because we established the fact that if you want to price anything, they tell you, I want to get a car, 10 million, 10.5. What do you price? You always price 7 million, 8. Why not price 525 million, 220 naira, or 210 naira, or 100? You will always price that. You always price in a random number. That's what we call cycle level. What are the levels that are big bank, JP Morgan, and all these guys look for before they shoot? They shoot at all those levels. And look for it. Oh, let's buy. Bam! Because of the try and take many people's losses, stop losses. Take many people's stuff. So these are the levels that you have to follow them. They are the ones that control the market. So you have to follow them. You don't have any of your money. You don't move the market. You don't have the billions of dollars. So they inject billions of dollars into the market and they move the market. Okay? So that's why we have to follow them. That's why we have to plot out our cycle levels, align with them. We're talking. So that is why and then thank God we are able to understand that. So I want to take this class step by step so we can think. Every time you're watching it, it will be so much confusing. But by each of the classes we have been understood, then later on we cannot begin to brush up, and then it will be wow, sinking, and then to be able to understand what we're doing here. Awesome, guys. So today I want to talk about just one thing, trend line today. Just one thing, trend line. So people always ask, sir, how do I draw my trend line? Do I use the candle? I want to tell you something. Do I use the wick or do I use the body? This is what we call body. This full stop. Can you see me, sir? Can you see my screen, sir?
Yeah, I can see.
This is what we call wick. All these stops. If you are seeing this kind of stuff, no, you don't need to jump. You get it. You want to call wick. You get it. You want to call wick. So let me as I told us last week about coming to your daily or weekly, then you draw it, you enjoy your stocks. Let me come to my daily or weekly, show you how to draw trend line. I want to show you today how to draw what trend line. Now let me start from here now. This is my chart. This is where the chart stops. I want to draw trend line. I'll come here. I've already give you a glance about how to use this tool. I come here, then I go there. I start from the peak. Assuming this was after the peak here, for the peak, I draw my trend line. Can you see? let's assume the chart stopped here. Let's assume it stopped here now. So I'm certain that the price will come down to this trend line. So can you see now? Can you see now? It's matching. Can you see? All this stuff you use your own assignment to. So I know that you're getting it. You see now?
That's the reason why I want to get the video so I can watch then do my assignment on it.
I will tell her to work on. I don't know. She's not input. I don't know what is this for later. I don't even understand that. I don't even understand. Anyway, I'll talk to her now. She has to access it. Just have to. So can you see it's matching every single put and listed there. Can you see? I'm not doing my turn like this. I'm not doing like this. Can you see? I'm not cutting the body. If you do like this, I want to trade in the market. One of the things I noticed was that I don't even understand to go trend line. That time, trend line always go wrong. I was working there, I told you. So I will do my trend line. I don't even understand. I don't have strategies. I just know that people are doing trend line to mark out some things. I'm just doing it as well. I don't know how to mark out. I don't really understand what I'm doing. But I shouted to make money. I wanted to make another source of income for myself. So you can't do trend line and expect to win in the market. You will lose. This is wrong. This is wrong. Your trend line is cutting across the. This is not accurate. Now, let's do another one. Let me show you. Let's come to the week. Let's do another one. You don't target the body. Some people say you target the body or the week. For me, I don't target the body. I target the week because that's where the last place price go to. Can you see from the bottom here now? Start from here. And make sure your trend line is from the bottom to the bottom. You might have issue with this trend line. I want you to understand this very, very well and stay cool. Because you can't start the trend line from here. Start to the trend line. It's wrong. You have to start from the bottom of that place. Hence, I don't want to draw a long trend line now. Look at this bottom. Bam. Can you see?
From the week, yeah.
From the week. I don't use body. Some people use body. I use week. I believe this is the highest the market got to. So why should I be using the body? It closes here, opens the highest low, highest open and closes. Open and closes. So why should I be chasing the market open or my market closes? Well, but where it got to? So I believe in this. So people use body, some people use week. For me, I do week. But sometimes in the market that showed me sometimes because the week market always comes up to it. If I use the body sometimes, based on experience in the market will still surpass it a bit. Then why am I using the body? It means that week is valid more. So that's what I believe.
And one question, sir.
Okay.
Like, can we draw trend line on the market going downward? Because you're only drawing it.
Anyone, I'll show you now. This is going upward. I've done it. So this means that market is going up. Once it crosses this stop down, it shows you that the market has changed direction. And whenever it crosses down, it always retest back. Sorry, a minute. Second.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I'm back. So that means that tells you that if any time price comes, so it comes back to this and breaks it, it means that price is no more what the buying market. Can you see what it does here now? And whenever it breaks, so let me chip this in. The time will come, we'll touch on that to break out. But let me chip this so you can know. It's not a class for today. It's not class. How to be you understand each of those classes step by step. So we won't watch everything. So whenever it breaks it must retest back to or retest around that trend line and go. It must. But no, I won't dealt on that yet now. So I won't confuse ourselves. I did on trend line only. That one's another thing. We talk about trend line and break out and retest. Strategy. That is another thing. I'll talk about that later. Then it comes down. So let's assume it now comes down. I want to do another trend line for a downward and it come again. And look at my high from the high again. I now I started from the low to high. Now from the high to bottom. And look at the highest high I have here. This is the highest high now. this one, this one has part. I come to my highest side, I draw again. I make sure that the next one is more lay on the next one, and I'll go like that. I'll be doing like this, so because it's lay on the next one, and I'll begin to off like this. I'll make sure you get on the next one and go like that. Lay on the next one, go like that. Then it shows that this thing has to stop here. Done. Then it shows it stopped here. Can you see? It has two touches.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2. It must follow each lane and shows to what? Expand. It shows to expand. That's all. So once this touches this place, then it breaks in, then it breaks out. It must retest on that trend and then go. That means this is a non-market. Once I see that it's
okay,
and it also retest on that my trend line, I know that it's going up. That's another. Now let's draw on that upward market again. Now I want to draw on that. Let's miss this is another day. So the market is not booking again, another day again, this is another day, and I see that it's not going like this. Let me do my trend line again. That's the only thing I'm doing for today, trend line. Then I will start on the board, pick again, make sure it matches my stop. If I put it here, and put it here, and put it here. This is one. This is one like this. This is one trend line like this. It shows the breakouts. It came inside it. So this one is what's called fake out. Fake out. Sometimes I'll talk about that. Fake out and retest and fake out. This is a fake out. There's something you hear me saying in the group. Guys, it was a fake out. Close, fake out. Then we go for another relative just 5 pips and 5 pips loss. Close out. It was a fake out. This is called fake out. Fake out. It's not meant to, but at times it can happen. Fake out. That is, he went outside of the trend line. He still come back. I wish to say that it's still a valid one. Well, this was called fake out. This is fake out. In other words, you can still draw your trend line behind the fake out because it's still valid. After the fake out has happened, you cannot change the trend line in this form like this. To mark it, just like how I explain it. Okay, if a lady gives birth now to 3 birds, one dies. One dies. Even that the second one dies. The third one can always feel the place of the second born and say it's the second born. Not be so. Because it's just 2, first and second born. You can't say because that place is vacuum. You are not. That is what this means now. So because this one has broken out, fake out for us, so we can come back and fill the gap at the back again. Because of what it's still on that same now, but it has fake out. Come back. Once it does this and goes, then we now withdraw a trend line behind it. Sometimes behind it. Sometimes it might still go, depending on how it is. Just about an idea of how long will it be joining each other like that. So if I do like this and I see that it's only joined 2, and I see the market is going this way, then if the market is resting on others, then I will see this my trend line value. I would rather not go with this. I will still go with the fake out because of what market is joining more for me than that one. I'll still go join that. 1, 2, 3. The more it joins, the more it's valid. It's joining just 1, 2 is not too valid. The more it joins, the more it's valid. They are joining 2, 3. I mean, it's more valid. This one now, let's assume it almost joins, but it doesn't join. So I'll prefer to put my trend line here. This is different. First of all, I believe that the more it joins, the more it's valid. Then I can now come here and still place another one if I want to do. Still place another trend line here. This is where I started from like this place now. Can you see? The more it's joined, the more it's valid. Can you see? Can you see? So this joining means a support zone. That's what it means. We'll get there. Once the line are resting on it, it means it's respecting that line. More like someone that is, if you are a small picking now, you know that sometimes you just leave good. You begin to work on all this pedestal cutter. Have you done it before as a kid? Do you understand me? Let me come again. As a kid, you just need the normal road, and you just choose to be working on that pedestal cutter that have been payment or something like that. Just begin to show that you can work on it, you can fall, and you can fall inside the cutter. That tiny stuff. Do you understand me? can you relate with that stuff? I mean, you are body, you don't do the stuff. When you're younger, sometimes you just leave the mirror and just begin to walk, So maybe you're going with all your colleague or anything. And now people see that, I cannot fall, Have you done something like that before? Are you there? Can you hear me? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Are you there? I'm there. I guess that was
Okay,
network.
sir.
What happened? That was network.
Okay, sir.
Did you get what I was saying?
Yeah, I'm getting it, sir.
I think that was network. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, sir.
Okay, good. Good. So you just leave the main road and you begin to walk sideways. Have you done something like that before?
About trend line.
No. I'm trying to cite a real life example now so you can understand. Now you just decided, right? Let me assuming you're working on, and then you just leave the main major road. All these gutters that's always been blocked, government gutters, like normal government gutters, always with blocked pedestrian road, beside the pedestrian road. And then I used to have a block at the both sides. And then with the erosion and water can flow inside, can flow along the other way. That small block, the mode beside it. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Block, the mode beside, and they implemented it here. That small block that was more beside it. Sometimes you just need to begin to trend on that road. And mom will like, don't fall, you just fall. Well, you don't see road. Walk here now. Something like that. Can you relate? You see what they work. They work for you want for gutter. You say I cannot fall, Joe. Mommy, I cannot fall. They begin to work. Mommy, I cannot fall. Can you relate something like that?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Sure.
Chris does that a lot, right?
Yes.
I don't know if you've done that too. Have you?
I've done it before.
Awesome. Yeah, so you can relate. Thank God. That's good. That's a perfect example. Good. Now you see yourself that you begin to shake at the right, that you won't fall. So I'm like, are you okay? Come on, Daniel. Why are you doing? Come on. Why are you not to walk? Why are you trying to mom, I cannot fall. Yeah, you're trying to show that you can, can work on that tiny stuff and nothing will happen to you. You not fall here, you not fall there. Good. So that motion, that motion, that exercise you're doing, that particular thing you're doing at the moment, it shows that you are trending a path that you cannot shed by the left or by the right, but you must be what? Straight. And that's what is happening here now. Whenever your this thing rests on the line, it means it's going on a straight. It can't go by, it can't go here. Is that understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Did you really what I'm saying? So,
Yeah.
awesome. So
I'm getting it, sir.
Awesome. So it shows that you can't
That's right.
awesome. Sorry, awesome. I'm glad you can understand. So I love to cite real life examples so that you can really understand. But I pointing out your trend line, you can really understand with your hand. It must not. I love that. But that's what will sink in what we're doing here. Awesome. So you can really understand that. So you have to just if that stuff goes like that and it's very, very long, you keep going and going and going, you will not fall. And find yourself that you don't even fall. You didn't fall inside the cutter or you fall outside or anything, and you are able to trade it like till you get certified, then you come back to the normal good. That's exactly what is going on here. So it's whenever it's resting, it shows that it's resting on it and it.
Sir, I can't see your screen again. I can't see your screen anymore.
Okay. Okay, good. So whenever it's pressing on it like that, it shows that what it can't, that is still on that. Even though it does a fake out, any fake out can come at any time. It should still be going, it's still what? It's still a long market. And if it is a short, it's still a short market. For the power, I can still see those line, and it has not violated it. Can you see now? This line, it never came back to violate this line, and it went in another direction. Those blocks, they might not be straight at times. They might be coughing, cough, cough, cough. You still be following them. Cough. I remember, and it will cough, to see two different coughing, but depending on the road. So these are the things it's still doing here. Coughing, you see, coughing. It can cough anyhow. Doesn't mean it has violated the rules. And you see, from here, it started moving. And it goes up. It means what? It's still what? Farm. A long market. For the part that it hasn't caused this stuff. This is my line downward again. That is what happened here. It stops from here. And it shows what is it. So that's how we determine what the direction of the market. First, when you look at it like this, okay, let me confirm this with downward today. You draw a trend line. Wow, this is downward. Wow. Because of what? When market comes to that place, it's always what? You expect that line. I'm teaching what strategy. Good. Now, good. Let's go back again. This is what I want us to tell you today. Only today, only. Not for anything. Let's understand this thing. Now, I see market like this, and this is where it is. I'm going to draw my trend line. This might be a good one. Let me do this. Let me find so I can understand. Okay, let me do this one. And this is market now, and this is where it starts. So let's assume the market has touched here now. So I'm not waiting for the third time that market should touch here. This is why I tell people so sometimes you just not because you are not expert, because of the market dynamism. See here now, this is where market changes. Let me find more touches for you so you can understand very, very well. So you can really think and understand very, very well. Okay, this is where market. This one shows that when it comes here, it's also I respected it just a bit. This one is in weekly. I hope you know. Once we go to this one in daily or 4 hours, it's a lot. It's about could be about 100 plus pips. Can you see now? This you are seeing here. It's a very lot because we are in weekly. So that is why it's showing like that. If you come in with this form into the daily or anything, it's a lot. Oh. That's good here, right? So let me go there. So I'm just trying to do this one. And if you can draw your trend line, another thing you can draw on any time frame. You can draw your trend line any time frame. It doesn't have to do with just type from the higher one, begin to draw it till whatever you are seeing market. That will mean that you are bisecting, you are interpreting what you are seeing in the market. So in any trend line, any places you see a form of trend line, you draw it. See now, I'm seeing let's go to market like this, bam. I'm seeing market like this. What comes to my mind? Cite my circle area, ba, 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 ba. I'm done. The next thing that comes to my mind, this one is coming down. Then I pick up my line, back up. What means what you are interpreting what is in the market. Back up. Make sure it's joining 1, 2, or more lines. Back up. Make sure it's joining 1, 2, or more lines. Back up. 1, 2, it joins 3, it joins. I'm looking for this place. I'll still teach you market structure. That's not this structure. Okay, sorry.
Okay.
Sorry. 2 seconds, please. 2 seconds.
Okay, sir.
So sorry, Jerry. So so I want to ensure that anything I see, I want to interpret. I'm trying to interpret. The more you interpret, the more it opens up to you. The more you're able to understand and the move, how to enter, how to determine, how to come in, what is it saying, what is actually saying, what is the direction, what is the interpret, what is it speaking. I want to understand the language. So how do I understand the language is speaking by what each of them I judge by what putting all the stuff one by one. Sorry, I'm having
Hello, sir.
Sorry, so this person I haven't done anything. Okay, sorry. Back. Oh, sorry, that I had
All right,
it.
sir.
That's why I said, this down. I know you can't understand this thing. You can't just understand it. Because there are still some things I want to. So by tomorrow, we also continue. So we'll finish up.
Okay, sir.
So I know now.
But sir, I have a question.
Okay, what's that?
Where will I draw my strike level? Like
The what?
the 50-50 line. Strike
The
level.
what?
The
Strike
50-50
levels.
line.
Yes, 50, you can start anywhere. Just mark this one. I can see now. This was 450. I put it there. Bam. I come here. I put it there.
Okay.
What will be the next one? 450 and 50 again. Yes, I put it there. The next one what? 450 and 50 again. I pick it here. Next one what? 450 and 50. I look for 450 and 50. 49, 50. When I come to the 4-hour time frame, I want to see 450 and 50. And that exact line. 450.
Okay.
This is 54, this is 56, 52, 50. Then I can see come lower again, depending on where the price is at that moment and where it's getting to.
Okay.
Into a long market, you do more like 2, 3, 4. But for me, I can even set my cycle level to like 10. 1, 2, 3, everything like that. So in case market moves here, I will be looking at it. Sometimes it comes to my cycle level, because there's always be an action. There's always be an action whenever price comes there. It's always react. So we'll get there. I don't want to rush us. There's always be an action whenever it comes.
Okay.
So that is for that. So that is for that on cycle level. I want to understand that one perfectly well. Not to be it's very simple. And that one is clear. So we move to what? So trendline. So trendline is so I see. I want to be able to interpret what is going on in the market. Interpret. Listen. That's how we have plotted. Listen. That's how we have plotted. I want to interpret. I'm seeing another trend now. Okay. Let me see this. The market's around here now. I see a trend line. I can come here now. Pick up my trend line. Pick it up. I will look for the downward. I will look for the lowest. Let me see the lowest here now. Let me see. Before market starts to change. This is the lowest. Before it starts to change. I'll come for the lowest. Look for the lowest. Unfortunately, I couldn't pick it from here because of this angle. So I know this is the lowest. I'll look for the lowest. I'll come here, then I'll turn. Bam, then I'll turn. Listen, then I'll expand it. Listen, expand it. Listen. But the fact that this thing has not touches this one, if it doesn't touch it, doesn't mean it is not still valid. The fact it doesn't touch this place and it's still going, it still means what this market is still a down market. What trend line means is that whenever it comes to that line, it must almost go back. It means it's a boundary for the market. How do I explain? It's a boundary for the market. How do I explain? How do I explain? Okay, they are driving now. Your highest speed might be 180. Someone asked me by 220. Tell me now, if you press 180, can you exceed 180? If the highest speed of your car is 180 or 220, can you exceed that? You can't definitely exceed, even though you are doing this. You can definitely exceed that. What is the highest they give to that car? What is the highest? So this means what? And whenever it does a breakout, it means what? It's out of it. Sometimes it could be a small breakout and inside again. It means fake out. But for the fact that it's still here, see where you started from. See where you started from. This one should be resting on mine. Should be resting on this one here. Everything must be resting. See where you started from. 1, it touches. 2, it touches. 3, it touches. Let's go. Since then, it doesn't touch again. But because it doesn't touch again, doesn't mean what? It doesn't mean that is how I said. No, see the market now, it's still moving up. It's never out. It means that the market could move anyways. It means that probably the direction of this pedestal is covered. So it's copying anyhow. It's copying the way you want. That means this one has exhausted where it is. Then you come here again to do another one. Pick it up again. Pick up from here. Start from here where it stops. You can do another one again. Make sure it is what the week. You start it week. That's what I do. Then you expand. Sometimes it may not cost the week. Depending on your trend line, it may not cost the week sometimes. It may not cost the week sometimes. This one that I'm saying now, it may cost somebody, but I want to be sure. But if it is valid, it's valid. See this one now. Now, this one cuts a bit of the body. All this small two is your fake out. So what?
Okay.
Just the next one. It's almost touching this one too. And it's touching, I want to touch this one too. Then it's break out here. That means this one happens here is the what? Fake out. This one happens the fake out. That's where it touches my body. That's where it can I'm constantly what I'm doing it right. That is why touching this two, not this one that came here touching the fake out. But it's touching here. Can you get it? Like others are matching. One is not matching. It means that one is abnormal. You buy egg. All the eggs are good. One is not good. Put it, throw it away. That's what it is. But the part of all this one are aligning, touching them. It means your trend line is right. The more it touches, the more it's right. So if I say I'm doing like this now, there is even another one I can do like this here. It's only two. What about all these ones? What's going to them? Then you are doing the wrong thing. You are doing the wrong thing. Listen, the more it touches, the more you are right. Listen.
Okay.
Listen. It touches here, touches here, touches here. Listen. Then once it came here, and it's bush. Let me something for you. Whenever market breaks through, most times, I've mentioned this one. Most times, I'll tell you that one in the next session of breakout and waited. Most times, whenever market breaks through, it always break with full force. Once it breaks with full force, that means the market is out. When it breaks with full force, that market is out. This means wow, but sellers are in the market or buyers are in the market with full force. Bush. Not like someone, a car. If you are driving a car, the determinant of your speed will determine the accident where you go get. They don't burn you away. Now you are facing each other. I saw a video that says you are just on a 20 meter speed and you hit this big lorry. Boom. Your bonnet will just fold small. No go affect you. But if you are on 80, 90, 100, the way car go fold.